Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we are tackling a critical topic for digital health innovators, registering software as a medical device, or SAMD, with the UAE's Ministry of Health and Prevention, known as MOHAP. The UAE is a gateway to the MENA region, but its regulatory landscape has specific nuances that can challenge unprepared companies. Let's explore the key observations for a successful submission. First, understand that MOHAP treats software with the same seriousness as a physical medical device. This means your innovative algorithm needs a robust regulatory file. It is not enough to simply prove your software works. You must provide comprehensive documentation, including evidence of a quality management system, typically ISO 13485 certification, detailed technical specifications, and thorough software validation and verification reports. A common mistake is focusing solely on the technology while neglecting this essential regulatory framework. Second, appointing a UAE local authorized representative is a mandatory step for foreign manufacturers. This representative is not just a mailing address. They are your legal entity on the ground, responsible for post-market surveillance and acting as the primary contact for MOHAP. For instance, if there is a software update that affects the device's function or a cybersecurity concern, your local representative is legally responsible for communicating this to the authorities. Choosing the right partner for this role is crucial for long-term compliance. Third, the classification of your SAMD dictates the entire regulatory pathway. The UAE system generally aligns with the global risk-based classes from A to D. A simple misclassification can lead to immediate rejection. For example, a software that merely displays patient data might be low-risk Class A. However, an AI-powered tool that analyzes medical images to provide a diagnosis for a critical condition like cancer would be considered high-risk Class C. This higher classification demands much more stringent clinical evidence and data to support its safety and efficacy claims. Fourth, leveraging a prior approval from a recognized reference country is your most powerful asset. A CE mark from Europe or FDA clearance from the United States acts as a golden ticket, significantly streamlining the MOHAP review process. Submissions with these certifications undergo an abridged, faster review. Without them, you face a much longer and more in-depth evaluation, requiring you to prove your device's safety and effectiveness from scratch directly to MOHAP. Finally, do not underestimate the focus on cybersecurity and data privacy. For SAMD, this is a top priority for MOHAP. Your technical file must include a detailed cybersecurity risk assessment, protocols for data protection, and a plan for managing potential breaches. A real-world case involved a company whose application was stalled because their cybersecurity report failed to address how patient data was encrypted, both in transit and at rest, a detail that MOHAP scrutinized heavily. Navigating these steps requires local expertise and a strategic approach. For companies looking to streamline this process, our team at Chen-Global is here to help. You can reach out to us for a consultation by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at pureglobal.com.